Summer is here, and Gold Seal Plumbing has some tips to keep your home flowing smoothly. Check for leaks in your outdoor faucets to avoid wasting water. Consider a water-efficient shower head to save water and energy. If you're going on vacation, consider turning off the main water supply to prevent any potential leaks. And ensure someone can check in your home periodically while you're away. For all your plumbing needs, trust Gold Seal Plumbing, keeping your summer stress-free.